Hey baby, you alright?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You sure? You look kinda down right now.
No, I'm fine. I am.
Sure?
No, I'm not sure.
Is it about him?
It's always about him.
Is there any way I can help?
You never lost a father. You don't know what it's like.
Great, I'm just trying to help you out the best I can.
You never know how to help me. Sometimes I just need a little bit of alone time.
Okay. How to help my girlfriend deal with depression. Huh. Listening for 5 minutes can help you repair your past. It's a good thing. Hold up.
Welcome to the sound of time.
5 minutes, one sound, and a moment to reset.
Let the noise fade and your mind breathe.
Not a miracle, just a pause and help you move forward.
Sophia?
Oh, hey, do I know you?
Yeah?
Maybe we have class together.
No, sorry, I was just... Do you know where the main office is?
Oh, it should be like maybe down the hall. There's like 2.
Oh, okay.
Do you want me to take you? My name's Sophia. Oh, wait.
Yeah, nice to meet you. I'm Lucas.
Hi, Lucas.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So, how do you know my name again?
We've been friends for a long time.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, so name something about me.
You have a freckle on your left butt cheek.
Okay, future boy. So, what are the lottery numbers?
Can't tell you that.
Why not?
'Cause you'd win the lottery.
Okay, so what can you tell me?
I can tell you something really traumatic is about to happen.
What is it?
I can't tell you.
Why not?
It's the butterfly effect.
Where have you been?
Out.
Out where?
Friends?
Friends from where?
School?
So you're lying to me?
No, I'm not lying to you.
Oh, so you think you're smart, huh? So you think you're grown sneaking out like that, huh?
Oh my god, you're the scientist. Your experiment actually worked to send me back in the past.
I'm sorry, who are you again?
It doesn't matter. Your sound waves experiment, it actually worked to send me back to the past.
Oh my god, I didn't think it would actually work. It's just an experimental hypothesis I've been working on in my garage. I mean, I didn't think it would actually come to fruition.
Can you please help me get back to my time?
It's gonna take a little work, but man, you're the proof that this can work. So let's get to it, man. Close your eyes and listen to the 58 kilohertz sound waves. Focus on your future or past self or whatever. Are you there yet? Are you in the future yet?
Something really traumatic is about to happen.
Hi, how can I help you?
Yeah, do you know if Sophia's home?
How do you even know Sophie?
We're friends from school.
Sophie doesn't have any friends.